Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of the story of Keadaan Salloum that has got really popular and all over the social media. These videos have got really popular and viral on the social media, and a lot of people are talking about this. So this is a video of a Keadaan Salloum that is portrayed as a real life zombie who survived through a fire. But the thing is, if it is actually a legit video or not. As you can see on TikTok, this video is being uploaded and there are 510k likes, so probably like millions of views. So this video has got really popular all over the social media. So today we're gonna find out if it actually a true video or just another fake AI generated video. As you can see, the story is portrayed that he died in a house fire, clinically dead, his organs were removed, and he set up on hospital security for their jerky and unnatural movements. So the thing is, there isn't any official records that it's in recycled footage, it's blurry and low quality clips, so most probably it's an AI generated, and the final take is this video is almost certainly a fake and just an AI generated video that was created to caught your attention. So in conclusion, I would say you should not trust this video. It's just an AI generated fake video. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.